I'm going to show you how to install memory into a PowerMac blue and white G3 system. Installation process is very straightforward and simple. The machine has 4 memory slots located right here at the front of the machine. I'm going to remove the original 128 meg module that's in this one. I'm going to install 4 OWC 256 meg chips. All you have to do is line up, there are 2 memory slot notches, line those up and the chips slide right down into it. You can do all 4 at the same time. Simply press down firmly onto the slots. They all lock right into place. Just that simple. That's all it takes to upgrade memory in a PowerMac blue and white G3 system.